How to add ABN AMRO card to Google Pay. Follow these instructions. Update the ABN AMRO app. Ensure your phone runs Android 7 Plus, NFC is enabled, and you are signed into your Google account. Open the ABN AMRO app, log in with secure access, and go to the Cards tab at the bottom to manage payment options. Select Google Pay, enter available payment methods, then choose the ABN AMRO debit card you want to connect for use. Tap Add to Google Pay, and pick the device where you want to link your card, either Android phone or Wear OS watch. Read the displayed Google Pay terms and conditions carefully, then accept them to confirm your card linking request. Allow setup to finish. Once verified, your ABN AMRO debit card will appear inside your Google Pay wallet for payments. Thank you for watching.